Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Make sure you head over to TipRanks TV to check out some great exclusive content and to say good morning in the comments over there, as I'll be hanging out after the show. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are back into the green this morning. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.19%, S&P 500 futures up 0.34%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.52%. Tesla is partying it up in Texas this week at an event dubbed the Cyber Rodeo. Tesla is scheduled to christen their new Gigafactory in Austin, Texas today. As many as 15,000 people are expected to attend the opening of the EV maker's $1 billion factory. The Gigafactory will have the capacity to make roughly 500,000 vehicles annually and will eventually build Tesla's Cybertruck. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy, and some recent sell ratings bring the average price target to a downside of nearly 4%. According to regulatory filings, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has accumulated an over 11% stake in HP, worth over $4.2 billion. Berkshire holds now just under 121 million shares of HP after buying about 11 million shares during the past 3 days. The HP stock is up over 14% following the news and joins an elite company among rare tech holdings for Warren Buffett, who has famously avoided most stocks in the sector for not fitting his value investing style. The HP stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 4%. Aerospace and defense technology company L3 Harris has been awarded $117 million for the third year of a U.S. Space Force and U.S. Space Command contract. The 10-year contract of the Maintenance of Space Situational Awareness Integrated Capabilities, or MOSAIC program, has a total value of $1.2 billion. Under this program, L3 Harris will maintain and upgrade radar and optical sensors and command and control systems that provide timely, accurate space domain awareness data for military, civil, and commercial uses. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside just shy of 4%. Bed Bath & Beyond has revealed its e-commerce venture with grocery giant Kroger. This venture will be powered by Kroger's Ship marketplace and will include several items like bedding and storage and baby furniture and gear from both Kroger and Bed Bath & Beyond. Further, a branded shop-in-shop experience in select stores will also follow. With an easy and convenient interface to assist customers in their shopping experience, the e-commerce venture is expected to be customer-centric at its core. Not a favorite among analysts, the Bed Bath & Beyond stock is rated a moderate sell with an average downside of about 30%. And Visa announced that they've entered into a partnership with consumer authentication services provider Pop ID to enable facial verification payment acceptance in the Middle East. With biometrics strongly positioned to play a crucial role in digital payments in the next decade and beyond, Visa's partnership is expected to provide cardholders with new safe, secure, and innovative ways to pay. Initially, the diversified global investment company, Dubai Holding, will deploy Pop Pay at some of its prime locations, which will be followed by the adoption of the payment technology across Dubai Holding's wider ecosystem. Analysts rate the Visa stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 24%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Constellation Brands, Conagra Brands, and Lamb Weston Holdings. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from the WD-40 Company and Kura Sushi USA. Last night, we heard from Skillsoft, who had solid fourth quarter results. They provided fiscal 2023 guidance that reflected solid bookings and accelerating revenue growth. They reported Q4 earnings per share of 6 cents, which was 17 cents better than the estimated loss from analysts of 11 cents. Their revenue for the quarter came in at $166.2 million versus the estimated $179.69 million. With just 2 current analyst ratings, the stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 108%. And we also heard from Levi Strauss, who came in with better than expected results for their first quarter. Their earnings per share for the quarter stood at 46 cents, up 35% year over year and surpassing consensus estimates of 41 cents per share. Their quarterly net revenues came in at $1.6 billion, up 22% year over year and outpacing the analyst estimates of $1.54 billion. With unanimous buy ratings from analysts, the average upside comes in at 56.5%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by HP, following the news of Warren Buffett's increasing stake in the company. Under the ticker HPQ, the stock is now up just slightly below 14%. They're followed by Euronav under the ticker EURN. Their stock is up nearly 11% after proposing an all-stock merger with Frontline. And CDK Global under the ticker CDK, their stock is up 10.8% after it was announced they would be acquired by Brookfield for nearly $55 per share. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Vertex. They seem to be falling following an article a couple days ago that said the stock was nothing too special. Under the ticker VERX, they're currently down over 13%. They're followed by CCC Intelligent Solutions Holdings under the ticker CCCS. They're down 9.8% after announcing a secondary stock offering. And the Multiplan stock under the ticker MPLN, their stock is down 7.8% on no distinct news. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you head over to TipRanks TV and say good morning in the comments over there, and check out some of our great other content while you're at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back here next time.